Hi guys, my name is Roger, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the pitch shift function of the Sp-808 to create chords with vocals or with other sounds. Well, now we're going to use a vocal. So here we go! This is the Roland Sp-808 Groovesampler, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the pitch function. First we're going to sample a vocal. I arm the sampler. Stereo, yes, I start with, not with manual, but with a level in. And I want to pre-trigger it on, well, 40 seconds. So I'm going to use a vocal sample, for sure you will know it. It's from the 0G sample CD I have. Here we go. I arm the sampler and it's waiting for a signal. Hey, okay. I stop the sample. So here it is. Hey, yes, it's from One Love, from the Prodigy. So, okay, I'm going to use pitch shifting to create other sounds. So what I do shift, pitch, then it says here, change pitch, source, bank 3, sample number 1, and I want to copy it to bank 3, number 2. Then it asks for grade. Well, you can choose 1 till 5. The grade means the quality of the resampling pitch function. So my advice is use 5, because 5 is the best result. Then the new pitch. You can choose from -12 till +12. What does it mean? It's the range of keys on a keyboard, because there are 12 notes in an octave. You can go 1 octave down, 1 octave up. For example, we're going to pitch shift this one to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's give it a try. Enter. It's now working. Hey, walla. Hey, walla. Hey, walla. Hey, walla. Hey, walla. So let's assume this is C. Hey, walla. Then this should be F. Hey, walla. What I'm now going to do also is to create another pitch shift to bank number 3, well, sample pad number 3, grade 5, and I do pitch number 7, which is the G. I press enter. So I will change this one also to 4, new pitch, 1, 2, 3. Let's make it 3, which is E minor. So if I'm right, then we should have now C, G, E minor. So let's add also a bass note. So I'm going to change this pitch, shift pitch. This one to number 5 is already on 5, okay. A new pitch, I do -5, which is the lower G. Let's give it a try. In this way you can create chords with a vocal. So what we're now going to do is to create a chord on one pad. You cannot press all the samples at the same time and sample direct, because then you get the drive too busy error. So this is how you do it. We start first with 2, then add another one and add another one. Here we go. We put this on pad, it was on level, and now we choose our pad and we arm the sampler. So now I'm going to press these 2 and it will be sampled to pad number 6. And I stop the sample. So now number 6, we have a combination of those two. Now I'm going to add this one to this one. So how do I do it? Sampling. It's on pad already. Armed. Now. And now I'm going to press this one and it will be sampled to pad number 7. So in pad number 7 we have already those 3. And now I'm going to add this one also on pad number 8. So here we go. Sampling, pad, arm the sampler, and press these two. And I stop the sampler. So now we've got a complete chord here. I'm going to copy this chord to this one. How do I do it? Shift 8 clipboard. So now it's copied to the clipboard, and now from the clipboard to 9. So it's copied now here. And what I'm now going to do is to change the starting point. Okay, just to show something, how to use the clipboard. And again, I'm going to copy it to the clipboard over here. Copy it to the clipboard over here. So now I got it here. Just to show you how to use the clipboard. What I'm now also going to do is copy this one to these ones, and again pitch shifting using the pitch shift function. So this one goes to number 13, and I'm going to pitch shift it to 7, which is the G. Here we go. So on 13, and now I do another pitch shift on number 14, but then the downgrade to number 5. Well, to number 2. And now we added some effect. Let's say a delay. Yes, I want to have a delay. So this is just a basic explanation of how to use the pitch shift function, and I use it with, in this case, a vocal, but you also can use it with another sound or with a drum beat to have a high-pitched drum beat or low-pitch, whatever you want. So this was just a simple explanation. I hope you liked the video, and we see each other next time. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.